Hi, I'm Christelle and this is day 2 of my trip to Munich. Here is Germany and here is Munich.
Bonjour, bonjour. Hello, guten Morgen, good morning.
By the way, my hotel is here.
Right now it's nearly 10 a.m. It's 9:54. I've been out already. So today is Sunday. The problem is that a lot of things are closed, like a lot of restaurants, a lot of supermarkets, a lot of things are closed, and I only arrived yesterday. It was past 11 p.m, so really late. No time to get any groceries or anything. So I really had to, this morning, to find a supermarket. I found one to get some coffee, milk and some meals and so on. The other thing is that it's really cold. Colder than in France, in Rennes. So it's not necessarily going to be pleasant to eat a sandwich outside, so it's either going to be restaurants, cafe, or inside the hotel, which is not too bad honestly. So I also bought some meals.
Today is all about getting to know Munich.
Anyway, so first coffee of the day, second coffee of the day, looks like this.
But first, let's start with some art.
So first I want to do the Museum of Urban and Contemporary Art, so the MUCA. Then I'm thinking coming back here for lunch.
And then I want to get a general view of the city.
And in the afternoon visiting the city center properly, all the things. And one of the things I want to do is visit the tower of the Frauenkirche. By the way, I forgot to do a little room tour, so let's go quickly. Let's go quickly. I don't think it's 10:15. You know what? I should do a room tour tonight. Alright, 10:39. I am late on my schedule.
Part 1, the Museum of Urban and Contemporary Art. The museum is here.
Here I think that's the tower of the Frauenkirche. It's 11:39 and I'm already done. Okay. Alright, so that was nice, but I arrived at 11 and it's 12:10 and I'm done. And I really took my time and even waited for the shop to open. So yeah, it was rather small, nice, but not like massively interesting. I think it's a private museum, so a private collection, small collection. It's not the best museum ever, and it's 12 euros for that, so yeah.
Part 2, lunch at the hotel and room tour.
I'm back at the hotel for a quick lunch, warm lunch and not too expensive lunch. Let's talk gear for a second. I recently acquired this camera which is currently filming. So that's my Lumix S5, which I really love. Let me show you that camera. So I recently acquired this camera which is Panasonic. It's really dark. So yeah, the Panasonic Panasonic please focus, HC-VXF1 4K, which is very nice, and that's my little Manfrotto tripod. I only tried it a little bit at home in Rennes, in France, and I've used it this morning, and it's really nice to use. Like, the quality maybe is not as good as the Lumix S5, which has a full frame sensor, but it's just really convenient to use, and you can zoom in like crazy and the quality remains okay. Basically, it's really fun to use if I was focusing only on the video. My problem is that my main focus, which I don't want to stray away from, is photography, and basically I barely use, like, I had the Lumix S5 around my neck, but I barely used it, and I don't like that, and I feel like taking both, like this one, the Panasonic HC something, for filming, plus the Lumix S5 for photos, is just too much. In the end, I'm ending up using just one or the other, and I'm not happy with that. So I don't know what to do for this afternoon. Do I take this? I think that this afternoon and probably the rest of the trip, I will actually only use the Lumix S5, and I will use the camera for like indoor shots for like the room or whatnot. And just potatoes. They're good. It's 1:22. I'm going to do a very quick room tour. So that's the entrance, and right there we have the bathroom, which is very nice and already a mess. My shower, as you can see, all the products. Yeah, that's toilets, that's a bathroom, that's it. Very nice bathroom, and that is me. And there we have, it's already a mess, I know. And yeah, we have a mirror, that is me. And more space for the jumpers and the jackets. Then we have the bed. Two nice windows. Yeah, it was just too many pillows. Like, I don't need 6 pillows. So yeah. And there, little kitchen. So we have some cleaning products. A fridge, which is just so nice. It's better than the one I have at home actually. And yeah, some cooking things, and yeah, microwave. Yeah. And from the window we can see, oh, another nice car. Just very lightweight this afternoon, just a tiny bag.
Part 3. Discovering the city center.
It's actually 5 degrees right now. There we have Carl's store, so Carl's Gate. This one, I think it's St. Michael's Church, and the one behind it, it's the one I want to visit. I want to visit the towers, the Frauenkirche. You know what? It looks really heavy. Is that snow? Okay, it does look like snow a little bit. Petit. That's just really small. It is snowing. Look at the building. Great. which I'm currently in. Okay, so that's Azam-Kirche, the Azam or Adam Church. Azam-Kirche. Sandlinger Tor. I am going back towards the city center. St. Peter's Church. It's not in the center. What's going on? It's also possible to go up there, up the tower to have the view, but I'm not going to do that because I've already done that in the other church. Ça, il me semble que c'est la place de l'ancien hôtel de ville. No way, so that's Marienplatz with the Rathaus Glockenspiel, tour horloge avec figurine aux cloches. And here we have ancien hôtel de ville de Munich, so the former city hall. C'est le Neues Rathaus, hôtel de ville néo-gothique, tour de 85 mètres. And look at that church. It's 6 p.m. and I've seen everything I wanted to see today. Now it's time to go back to the hotel where it's warm and there is food. St. Michael Church. Potatoes, celeries and carrots.
I used to think the worst mistake I could make was...
Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can see the next videos. Bye, see you soon! I've made a little book with my favorite photos from this trip. Feel free to have a look at it on my website or on my Ko-fi page. Thank you!